Hey guys, I'm Flo of allnigerianrecipes.com. Welcome to my channel. Are you ready for my biggest Nigerian food ingredients haul ever? Yes, I just came in from Nigeria, and if I look tired, your eyes are not lying to you. I've been traveling since 5 p.m. yesterday and we just came in. It's about 10 p.m. here and I'm about to go to bed and crash, but I know that once I do that, this video will never be made, and I so want to show you these ingredients because I've never shown you some of them before. So I'm really excited to do that, and now is the time. Let's get to it. The first one is brown beans, oloyin beans. This is more delicious than the black-eyed beans. The skin of this one is also easier to peel for recipes that require the peeling of beans. It is not common where I live, that's why I brought it from Nigeria. This is okpa, bambara nut flour, for making delicious okpa meal. This flour is hard to find outside Nigeria, and it's the ingredient that most people outside Nigeria ask me where they can buy it from. This is ukwa, breadfruit, the dry one. It is also another hard to find ingredient outside Nigeria. I also bought a little bit of the fresh one that I will cook tomorrow. The fresh one does not keep well at all, so I'll have to make sure I cook it tomorrow. Ukwa and okpa are so tasty yet so scarce outside Nigeria. Okay, tell you what, I'm ready to share these ingredients with some people. If you can't remember what these meals taste like, ukwa and okpa, let me know in the comments and I'll send some to you. I know it's very difficult to find these two staple foods outside Nigeria. So let me know in the comments and I'll send them to you for free. You can regard this as my ifafia from Nigeria. And somebody please translate ifafia. Yeah, I don't know how to translate it like one word or phrase. I'll need to tell a story about it before you understand what ifafia means. So yes, I'll send it to you, but you have to pay for delivery, the postage, yeah? Because I spend a lot of money sending all these traditional hard to find ingredients to people, and it's beginning to cost me a lot to send them. So please, you pay for postage, but I'll just send you the ingredient. I'll not send so much, but just enough for you to taste it once again, yeah? The next one is Indomie. My kids would have killed me if I did not allow them to bring back even a few packets of Indomie noodles. These are raw groundnuts, that's peanuts. In Nigeria, we eat boiled groundnuts as a snack. So delicious. If you eat it, you may never ever go back to roasted peanuts anymore. This is what they look like inside, if I can get it to open with one hand. This is opaka or oba, shredded oil bean. I have at least 5 recipes where I use this ingredient on my channel. This is stockfish, dry cod. This one is known as kot in the market. That's what they use to distinguish it from the other ones. And this one is the ear, ntio boroko. We use it to prepare Nigerian soups. The ntio boroko is so good in bitter leaf soup, for instance. This is dry fish, specifically known as asa, azu asa. It's much more expensive, but I prefer it to dry catfish. Recently, I'm beginning to dislike catfish because once you take out the head, there is nothing left, and I do not add the head to my cooking. This is freshly washed and squeezed bitter leaves. There's this lady in Lagos, Nigeria that washes the best bitter leaves for Igbo cooking. You know, bitter leaf, there are so many ways to wash bitter leaves. You can wash the leaves fresh without drying it in the sun. You can dry it a little bit in the sun before washing it. This woman washes the best bitter leaves, and I usually pay her and she buys the fresh leaves and washes them for me. Then I pick it up, freeze them before coming back. You can see that they've already defrosted, but yeah, they're still good. This is pomo, cow skin. You can add it as part of the mixed meats to Nigerian soups, especially ogbono soups. This is not the high-end pomo, the one I showed you in a video. This is the one I can find in Lagos. I will use these ones to make peppered pomo. and snails, ejuna. Oh my god, I already have a peppered snail recipe. I will use these ones to prepare River's native soup. I bought them in the market, they removed the shell for me, and I washed off the slime. This is periwinkle. It is in the snail family. Periwinkles featured in my Follow Me to Market video. Go check it out. It will be used in the River's native soup recipe too. These are yellow habanero peppers, the tastier or more aromatic version of red habanero peppers. It is best for Igbo traditional soups like bitter leaf soup and ora soup. I bought them yesterday morning and they were so fresh, but look at what the stress of traveling has done to them. I will wash and freeze them straight away. This is Nigerian roasted groundnuts or peanuts. The ones sold here are never as brown and as yummy as I like them. So I usually bring some from Niger. Who agrees with me on this one? I can never find peanuts that taste like Niger peanuts, roasted peanuts outside Nigeria. Let me know in the comments if you agree with me. These two are special ingredients for recipes I will share later. I'll talk about them in those videos. Over here we have egusi seeds for preparing egusi soup. I'm sure lots of people recognize this one. I can't buy egusi seeds where I live. This one is ogbono seed, wild mango seeds for ogbono soup. You will notice that I did not grind them. I grind them here as and when needed. I especially do not grind ogbono because once you grind ogbono, they begin to lose their elastic ability. That's why some people prepare ogbono soup and they say, oh, my ogbono does not draw. Yeah, that's one of the reasons. You grind them in bulk and keep. No, after some time, they begin to lose their elasticity. Yeah. This is crayfish, one of Nigeria's most popular seasonings. Another bag. This one is spicy peanut butter. It contains pepper and other spices and seasonings. We use it to eat garden eggs. My mom got a drum of it for us. She knows that my husband loves this so much. These are the garden eggs. You slice it and apply a thin layer of spicy peanut butter on it and enjoy. You can also use these garden eggs to prepare a delicious sauce for eating Nigerian staple foods. The recipe is on my channel. These ones are the white ones. There's also the green ones, which I showed in my Follow Me to Market video. Look at the two musketeers. A trip to Niger that you do not bring back Milo and peak milk from. Is that one a trip to Niger? Mba, no, not at all. Peak milk is our popular milk powder and Milo is our popular cocoa powder. Both of them team up in a mug to make Nigerian hot chocolate, which we call tea. So if a Nigerian says he or she wants to drink tea, that's what the person is referring to. Unless the person has been Oyibonized. This is bitter cola, aquino. We offer it to guests as kola or oji. It is also known to cure lots of stomach ailments, diarrhea, bobo tibo. This is what it looks like inside. You peel it and then eat. Chew it and eat. This is the main kola, known as kola nut, Oji Igbo. In every Igbo cultural ceremony, this must be presented. Traditional marriage, naming ceremony, kola nut must be presented, and an elderly man says some wise words and people will eat. And this one is alligator pepper. It is hot and spicy and you eat it with kola nut. We brought all these kola things back because next month the Igbos here will be celebrating the New Yam Festival. So we need them for as part of the mede presentation for completeness. These are what the seeds look like. This is ube, African pear. We eat it with boiled or roasted corn or on its own, but you need to soften them first. Video on that coming soon. This one is already going bad because of the heat. This is what it looks like inside. These are oma leaves for wrapping moi moi. I will wash them and store in the freezer. They store very well in the freezer. These are scent leaves. They look so much like mint leaves, but they do not taste or smell the same. These are ora leaves for ora soup. These ones are oziza leaves for lots of recipes. The leaves have a nice spicy aroma. Very nice. Woo! So that's everything. I hope something is not stuck in the bag or something. That's everything I brought back. So many ingredients, and to think that now as I'm making the video, I remember lots of things I didn't buy. Yes, you can never. I think we had about 4 boxes of Nigerian ingredients, not just these ones, including the ones that people we live with, where we live, told us to bring for them. Yeah, so their families bring food and we bring them back for them. Yeah, so watch out. In the next few weeks I'll prepare meals with some of these ingredients. Yeah, let me know what you want to see first, okay? Which food you want to see first. To bed. Don't mind that I'm dancing. I'm so tired. I think I'm dancing because I'm glad that I made this video. Bye. See you soon.